I know this is the favorite part of the show. My mom, Diane Hunter, here to talk about those Callaways.
It's always fun to talk about those Callaways.
I know, they are truly amazing. We love how we've always said they're very trustworthy and they just can help you in so many ways. I love that they have the whole team and sell, buy, whatever you need to do.
And they have some fantastic listings. And I want to tell our audience about one of them today.
All right.
And it's located near 104th Street in Cactus. Okay?
Oh, okay.
It's absolutely extraordinary and expansive. It's on a half-acre lot, corner lot. It's a bright open floor plan, beautiful eat-in kitchen. It's a culinary's dream. My dream, maybe not yours.
Not my dream, but your dream, yes.
It has everything in the kitchen you could want. And the home has soaring vaulted ceilings, and it's almost 6,000 square feet livable.
Oh, wow.
I know, it's huge. 5 bedrooms,
Okay.
5 baths, a gorgeous master suite. It has 4-car split garage with a work area.
Wow.
And the price is $1,275,000.
That's actually a pretty good deal for that.
For that home,
crazy.
it is. It is. It's just magnificent.
Yeah.
People need to go out. It's a new listing, so they better hurry up because if this is the type of price range they're looking in, this one won't last.
Yeah, it'll go fast.
Yeah.
All right. Well, as always, thank you for joining us, Mother.
Thank you, Tiffany.